Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you're into trail running or ultra distances and want gear that helps you go farther with less fatigue, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be showing you the top 5 best trekking poles for ultra running, carefully selected for their weight, comfort, durability, and real user feedback. For more details and the latest prices, check out the links to all the products in the description below. Now, let's get into it. Number 1. LEKI Ultratrail FX One. The LEKI Ultratrail FX One is a standout choice for serious trail runners who need ultralight, durable support for long-distance runs. Made from high-quality carbon, these poles weigh just a quarter pound each while maintaining impressive rigidity, making them perfect for both training and race day. The push-button folding system allows the poles to separate into 3 16.1-inch sections for compact storage and quick packing, easily fitting into any hydration vest or running backpack. The Trail Shark cork grip molds naturally to your hand, minimizing pressure points and strain during extended climbs or descents. Its detachable, adjustable mesh strap provides a snug fit and quick release when you need to move freely through technical terrain. Available in multiple lengths from 105 to 135 centimeters, the Ultratrail FX One accommodates a wide range of runners. It also includes trail baskets, protective tips, and a folding pole bag for safe storage. Number 2. LEKI Crosstrail FX Superlite. The LEKI Crosstrail FX Superlite is built for runners and hikers who want maximum performance in a minimalist design. Made from ultralight carbon, it delivers durability without the extra bulk, reducing fatigue over long distances. It features the SpeedLock 2 Plus system, which makes length adjustment quick and secure, ranging from 110 to 120 centimeters. When it's time to pack up, the poles collapse into 4 compact 16.5-inch sections, small enough to fit neatly in backpacks or travel bags. The Cross Shark grip combines the comfort of foam with the control of a loop strap that easily detaches when you need flexibility on technical sections. The extended foam grip also lets you choke down during steep climbs, giving better leverage and balance. With trail baskets and carbide tips, these poles perform well across dirt, rock, or snow. At just 6.95 ounces per pole, they strike the perfect balance between lightness and stability. Number 3. Black Diamond Distance Carbon. The Black Diamond Distance Carbon poles are a favorite among ultra runners and thru hikers who want top-tier speed, support, and simplicity. Constructed entirely from carbon fiber, they're incredibly strong yet feather light, helping reduce arm fatigue during long climbs or technical descents. The Z-pole fixed-length design with speed cone deployment means setup is instantaneous. Just flick your wrist and the poles lock into place, ready for action. The EVA foam grip feels soft yet secure, absorbing moisture while maintaining traction even when your hands sweat. A recycled nylon wrist strap adds comfort without extra weight, and the grip extension provides extra reach for steep terrain. Black Diamond optimized these poles for stiffness and impact resistance, ensuring they stay reliable even after repeated folding and unfolding. Their compact design makes them easy to store in a running pack or carry-on bag when traveling to races. For trail runners who value minimalistic efficiency and dependable performance. Number 4. WindQuester Ultralight Carbon Trekking Poles. WindQuester Ultralight Carbon Trekking Poles are an outstanding choice for runners and hikers who prioritize portability without compromising strength. Each pole weighs just 6.98 ounces, making them lighter than many smartphones. When collapsed, they measure only 14.9 inches, making them incredibly easy to pack into backpacks or travel gear. Built from T800 carbon fiber, they handle up to 250 newtons of force, giving you solid, reliable performance across rocky trails, steep inclines, and uneven ground. The Quick Lock adjustment system allows easy length changes between 43.3 and 51.1 inches, accommodating a wide range of user heights. The ergonomic EVA foam handles provide a firm, non-slip grip, while breathable wrist straps prevent chafing during long-distance runs. Each pair includes interchangeable tips, tungsten carbide for rocky paths, and rubber caps for pavement or indoor surfaces, making them versatile for all terrains. Number 5. AONIJIE Ultralight Foldable Trekking Poles. The AONIJIE Ultralight Foldable Trekking Poles are built for endurance athletes who demand dependable, easy-to-carry gear. Crafted from 7075 aluminum alloy, these poles are tough enough to handle rugged trails, yet light enough for fast, fluid movement. The quick lock mechanism allows instant length adjustment, giving you precise control and stability with minimal effort. Available in 3 fixed sizes, 110, 120, and 130 centimeters. They cater to different runner heights and stride preferences. When folded, they shrink down to just 12.99 inches, making them ideal for storing in hydration vests, day packs, or luggage. EVA foam grips provide excellent comfort and sweat resistance, while moisture-wicking wrist straps prevent slipping even on humid days. These poles strike a perfect balance between strength, comfort, and convenience, making them a solid choice for trail runners, hikers, and long-distance adventurers alike. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best trekking poles for ultra running. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews and performance tips. Thanks for watching Tech Talk Reviews. Run far, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.